Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. So this is me Varshini. So today we are making easy and tasty sweet recipe with bread slice. So you can see I have took here around 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee, then refried the bread slices. Then in another bowl I have took here around 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, then add around 1 cup of water and let it be a thin sugar syrup. So we'll be adding to the bread later on. So now in another pan we'll boil the milk. After boiling the milk, add half tablespoon of badam powder, then 1 teaspoon of milk powder, then mix it well, let it cook for 5 minutes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Do comment the recipes in the comment box. So I've added here half tablespoon of elaichi powder, then the food color. Instead of adding food color, you can also take the kesar. So I do not have the kesar, so I have used the food color, that a pinch of food color mixed with the milk, then added to the milk. Now let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes to the consistency. So after that, take in a bowl the bread which we have fried, then add the sugar syrup. So you can see I have made it in just watery form. Added that, let it soak the sugar all with the bread. After it is done, add the milk which we have made in the form of rabdi, not so thick, not so light, just in the medium. So after adding this, add lots of dry fruits as your taste. I am using here cashew nuts and the almonds. So it's according to you what dry fruits you need, you can add, and you can see your tasty bread dessert is ready. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell icon.